Today's food adventure takes us to North Hollywood, California, to a food stand topping the lists of LA's best breakfast burritos. Their plan is to revolutionize the modern breakfast burrito with a fusion of top quality ingredients. Get ready for Burrito Bomba! A few blocks from the 5 freeway, this hip stand is located next to an auto repair shop on the corner of Strathern and Lankershim Boulevard. It's hard to say what their claim to fame is. Everything from their special bomba sauce to the care they take in prepping the jalapeno marinated bacon is awesome. Not only do they hand crack each and every egg, but they prepare the mixture with spices, potatoes, and a blend of cheeses. On this visit, we tried the steak and bacon breakfast burrito. This thing is stuffed with all the fixins and wrapped with a delicious, lightly grilled tomato tortilla. Believe me, you're gonna want to get some extra bomba sauce. That is half of a burrito. Half of the burrito.
Oh, wow.
Everything about that bite was awesome. I'm sorry, but this is nothing like my mom used to make. We're here with George from Bomba Burrito, is that right?
Yes, Burrito
awesome.
Bomba.
Burrito Bomba.
Well, we've been here about 6 months. 6 months since we've opened. You know, just pumping out breakfast burritos all day for everyone in North Hollywood. Very good, very good. It's been growing a lot because we've been always bumping up the quality, you know, the burrito and everything, and we've been getting a lot more people, especially since we've been adding breakfast tacos, breakfast bowls, breakfast quesadillas, trying to take over the whole breakfast industry. Well, it's kind of like a saying, when we have something that's very good, it could be food, it could be clothes, it could be anything. So we always say like, oh, it's bomba. We really care about freshness here. That's number one. Everything we have in the burrito, basically from the eggs, from the pico de gallo, from the steak, from the bacon, tortillas. We drive around 2.5 hours to pick up bread.
Holy smoke, so they drive 2 hours to get those tortillas.
And Wolfgang Puck, quote unquote, said La Chapalita is the best tortilla on the
Hands down. That's awesome. We hope you enjoyed the spotlight on Burrito Bomba and you give them a try. As always, the address is in the description. Until next time, bye-bye.